Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, September 27th, 2012. The word of the day is perish. Pass from physical life and lose all bodily attributes and functions necessary to sustain life. Darren Salter's parents are long since deceased, with his father dying in World War I and his mother perishing in the Holocaust. Today's birthdays are Lauren Gant, Cecilia Martinez, Jeremy Phillips, and Demarius Valentine. Attention Interact Club. Are you interested in volunteer work within the East Lincoln community? The Interact Club might be for you. Anyone interested in joining the Interact Club should attend a brief meeting in room 212 with Mr. Shanklin immediately after school on Friday. Only those students who are serious with helping others should attend. There's a hosted meeting right after school next Wednesday. Last day to join and pay your dues. All 10th grade students will be taking the plan assessment, which is part of the ACT program, on Tuesday, October 2nd. This is required pre-administration that will require all students to bubble information on their answer sheets on Monday, October 1st during 4th period. Students will be dismissed by intercom to their pre-administration bubbling room during 4th period Friday. Please check the pre-test bubbling room assignments posted throughout the school for your room location. You may also ask your teachers for help locating the appropriate room. Quiz Bowl will meet immediately after school today in Mr. Thornberg's room, room 209. The office has Cleveland County Fair tickets for students up in the office, good for one free entry for kids aged kindergarten through 12th grade from October 1st through 4th. The cross-country team will have a home cross-country meet Tuesday at Sally's Y. Any teacher or student who could help with the meet, see Coach Morrison or Coach Chapp. Attention seniors, you will be placing your orders for graduation announcements this morning. You'll be called to the media center by homerooms. Please have your order form and payment with you. Students who want to purchase a class ring will also place their orders this morning. See Ms. Tatum if you have any questions. Sign up for Powder Puff on October 18th are in the front office. I read that one. Girls basketball skills session will be today from 3:10 to 3:55 in the old gym. See Coach Borbo, room 13, if you plan to attend. There is a tennis match at Lake Norman Charter today. There's a JV football at Lincoln at 7, and a volleyball match at Lincoln today. JV starts at 4:30, varsity to follow. Have a good day. Stay.